Chapter 45. Inside my house, my sweaty hand still grips the paper Tommy gave me. I didn't read it in the courtyard. When I realized that Tommy wasn't going to kill me, I ran. But now, trying to catch my breath, I wonder what's on it. A death threat? A time and place for me to meet him over the weekend? I drop my backpack, run up to my room, and I look at the paper. There's a web address on it. A YouTube web address. I'm online in a flash. I call up the video. It looks like the lunchroom at Harmon, but it's hard to tell because of the white arrow in the middle. I press the arrow. I see myself on the screen, scooping up pizza and chocolate milk. I look scared. Someone says, "Have a good trip. See you next fall." Kids crack up. Tommy wasn't taking pictures of me with his cell phone. He was making a video. When it's over, words appear on the screen. David Greenberg, lamest kid at Harmon. How did that Neanderthal know how to do that? Did Elliot help him? I scroll down and see that 12 people viewed this video. 12. I can never face the kids at Harmon again. I turn off the video and bite my lower lip. I pace around the room thinking of a video I could make about Tommy. I'd call it Neanderthal at Harmon. Mine would be much better than his. It would be, I couldn't make a video about Tommy or he'd kill me. I wouldn't do it anyways. But it's incredibly mean. It makes a person feel exposed and violated. Even a kid as mean as Tommy Murphy doesn't deserve. I stop pacing and walk down the hall. I knock on Lindsay's door. Enter, unless you're David Greenberg. I go in anyway. Lindsay swivels around from her desk to face me. I must have a funny expression on my face because she says, "What's wrong? Did someone give you an A- on a test?" I'm sorry. I barely peep. What? I look into my sister's eyes. My sister, who held my hand when Mom and Dad were screaming in the living room that night with the tuba. My sister, who let me sleep in her room for 2 weeks after Mom left. My sister, who I totally humiliated and embarrassed on my videos. Lindsay, I say, I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Wow. What? I think you really mean it. I nod and walk out of her room. How could I have done that to her? In my room, I go online to delete all the videos with footage of Lindsay. But when I pull up the magazine cover Jon Stewart video, there are 430,000 views and 86 comments. I can't believe it. And I can't delete it either.